All right, Miss Deborah, we're here at the closing table of your home. It's been a long time coming. I know we worked hard for this. I had a few questions to ask you. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
And I was curious to know, what were some of the fears that you had at the beginning when we first met, when you were considering selling your property?
Okay, well, my first fear was having to have someone who worked with me, who would understand where I'm coming from and who I could be myself with and be open with, right? And the second fear was having people trapping through the house, okay? Because nobody wants anybody to invade their space, and you get conscious and so on. So those were the two things that bothered me.
And how do you feel, like, what was the process that you used to get in contact with me and choose me as your agent ultimately?
Okay, well, my son, who knew Bryan, because Bryan had secured for him a rental, recommended me and said, "Mom, this guy is really professional. He knows what he's doing. I promise you." Okay, and then he called him, and then Bryan came over, and he did meet expectations.
Awesome. Shout out to Alex
Yeah.
for allowing us to meet.
Yeah.
And what do you feel like I did differently from other agents that you worked with in the past to get your home sold?
Well, first of all, you were prepared, right? When you came to visit and to meet with me, you brought all the necessary information that was needed. You did the research. You presented the whole, the process of the sale, how my house would do in the marketplace.
Right.
You showed the research in order for us to come to pricing. You told me what I needed to have done.
Right.
You explained in detail so I could see there's not so much to be afraid of with the process. And then you worked with me as we went along to get it ready. You got the pictures out there, you got it marketed. And then when we had to make different strategies, you came with alternatives and we spoke. One of the most important things, though, is I found that you listened and you allowed me to talk.
Interesting.
And you tried to see things from my point of view. You put yourself in my shoe. And then when you did that, you were able to respond to me in the appropriate manner because I'm not an easy person to deal with. So he met all expectations.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And if you were talking to a friend or family member that's looking to do something in real estate, well, how do you feel that you would tell them about our experience and how you feel you would recommend us to them?
Okay, in the same aspect, if you want someone who's going to be professional, prepared, who listens, who's on your side, right? This is a person to do it with. He has all the information, he has all the experience, and he does what is necessary to get you the best price and to show you what are the best strategies for your home. So,
Exactly.
right.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you. Congratulations on the sale of your home. I know a lot of great things are going to be coming your way.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.